Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel English with Shelley. In this video, we are going to cover writing workshop of chapter number 2. Find out how. Page number 38. Writing instruction. So here we learn how to write instruction for anything. Modern writing. How to clean your teeth. Here we learn how to clean your teeth. You will need. So these are the things that you need to clean your teeth. Toothpaste, toothbrush, water, towel. So these are the things. Let's read out the instruction. Get ready. First pick up your toothbrush and hold it firmly in one hand. Hold the toothpaste in your other hand. Squeeze some toothpaste onto the brush. So firstly you have to take toothbrush in one hand and then hold toothpaste in the other hand and then squeeze toothpaste on your brush. Second step is get brushing. Next, brush all your teeth for 2 minutes. So then you have to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Third, get tidy. Then spit out the toothpaste and wash your toothbrush under the tap. So you have to spit out toothpaste from your mouth and then you take some water in your mouth and move it in your mouth and then spit that water again and again 2 to 4 times, and then you have to clean your toothbrush under the tap. And the final step is finally dry your mouth with a towel. Your teeth should now be clean. So then you dry your mouth and your teeth should be clean. Now move to the next page, guide writing. So here we learn how we write this type of instruction. Instruction explain how to make something or how to do something. So instruction are the thing that explain you how to do something and how to make something. Look at how the instruction how to clean your teeth use the following feature. So these are the features that if you write an instruction, so you write like this. First one, a title that says clearly what the instruction are telling you to do. So first thing is you have to write title, clearly tells that what you are going to do. Next is a list of things you will need. Then you have to make a list that you need to make or to do that thing. Third one is a number list of steps with each step set out on a new line. Then you decide the steps and with every step you have to start a new line. Then imperative bossy verb, brush, spit and dry near the beginning of each instruction. So you also write those bossy verbs while writing instruction. Words such as first, next, then and finally at the start of each new step. So whenever you start a new step, you write those words first, next, then and finally. Then short clear sentences, and you write short and clear sentences in those instructions. Diagram to help make the instruction clear. You also make diagram that help to make your instruction clear. A summary of what should have happened, such as your teeth should now be clean. So finally you have to write summary that what happened after instruction. Like in the modern writing, your teeth should now be clean. Language tip. Instruction often include words such as first, next, then and finally at the start of each new step. These words help the reader know a new step has started. So in any instruction you have to add these words, and these words tells the reader that this is the next step. Now move to the next page. You are writing. So now you have to write instruction. Write your own set of instruction. This could be on how to do one of the following. So यहाँ से आपने जो है वो कोई भी एक टॉपिक चूज करना है and then you have to write instruction on that topic. Tidy your bedroom, get from the school to home, play a computer game, make your dinner, play a game of football. So you have to choose one of the topic from here and then write instruction. Whatever you choose, remember to make the aim of instruction clear. So your instruction must be clear. Include number step. So you must include number step. Use words such as first, next, then to start the step. So whenever you start a step, start with it first, secondly, then next, and then finally. Draw picture to help make the instruction clear, and you also draw a picture with every step that make clear your instruction. So here is a sample one instruction. So here the writing workshop completed and the chapter also completed. In next video we will start with the new chapter. If you like this video, like it, share it and do comment below and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.